This is an interesting one. So, being an inactive kid most of my life, down the path sometime I realized that something was missing in the equation. And when I did come to a point where I realized it's my physical and mental health and I started working on the same, I tried to read, research and come up with something scientific and logical which will help me achieve my results in the most efficient way. And I fell in love with the process. And here we are. I'm Coach Tej, and every class I coach makes my day. So the Superwoman Series on the platform Hustle is a 21-day DIY program for the women, by the women of Hustle. So this is a fantastic thing in my opinion, because there are so many reservations and hesitations when it comes to strength training, especially for women. And when you have such a huge platform offering you a good training program which is suited for your needs, and it's just 30 minutes and you get to start a new habit and you get to push yourself out of that comfort zone, and nothing is greater than that. And when it comes to RCB women's team playing in the first women's IPL, it just takes it up to a whole another level. I would say that my most favorite routine is lifting a lot of heavy weights. I would say squats, deadlifts, bench press, and I love a lot of calisthenics-based movements like push-ups, pull-ups, or anything such as headstands and handstands, and I love working towards it. And I love sticking to a program, and that is my favorite.